Hello, guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about the order of operations or Pemdas. So let's start taking a look on this operation. What do you think is the result? Before you start fighting about what is the result, let's check what is the math concept that we need in order to solve this. That is Pemdas. That's actually an acronym for the operations that you need to remember the order. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But if you take a look in multiplication and division, you see that they are together with this pink highlighter. I did that because they have the same priority, multiplication and division. Same thing with addition and subtraction. So if you have an operation when it has multiplication and division, start solving from left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction, from left to right. The parentheses, remember, it could have this shape, or you could even find sometimes these shapes. They mean the same. Exponents, you might have seen it when you were working with the square numbers. For example, if you have 3 to the square, this is what we call an exponent. And this just means that you are going to multiply the 3 twice. So 3 times 3, which is 9. And you know this 9 is a square number. Same thing, for example, with 10 to the square. It's 10 times 10, which is 100. Those are the exponents. Okay, then using this information, then what is the result? So taking in account PEMDAS, that sometimes you are going to see it as BEMDAS because sometimes the parentheses are called also brackets. Then the multiplication has more priority than the addition. That means this is the one that we need to do first. So this becomes 4 plus the result of the multiplication, 2 times 3, which is 6. Then at the end, the result is 10. Told you. But let's check some more examples so this is going to become easier. Let's solve these operations here. So I have this, the PEMDAS word, so I'm going to use it to know what operation to do first. In this one, it comes multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication goes first. So I need to do the multiplication first. It is useful if you solve it this way, organize going down. And notice that since I did the multiplication first, I don't write the multiplication anymore. I write the result of the multiplication. So it becomes 15 plus 8. And then I can do the addition. 15 plus 8 is 23. So the result of this operation is 23. Notice that this one is pretty similar, but this time it has parentheses. That's going to change the result because parentheses goes first. That means it's the addition that I should do. Since I'm not going the multiplication, I leave the 3 again. I'm not gonna do anything with the 3 yet. And I do 5 plus 8. That is going to be 13. Now the multiplication is the only operation, so I just do the multiplication. 3 times 13 is 39. Now this one. The division goes before the addition. So I need to do division first. I write the 4 because I'm not going to do anything with it yet. And 16 divided by 2, I replace it by the result, which is 8. Since 2 plus 8 is 16. And finally, I just have an addition. I just do it. 4 plus 8 is 12. Next operation. I have subtraction, multiplication, and division. Remember, multiplication and division goes together. They don't have a priority. So, to be on the safe side, always start from left to right. So, it's a very common mistake, guys, that you know that the division goes first, then you change the order and you write it first. No, you perform it first, but the 20 is the first number that you are going to write. It's just that you are not going to use it yet. So you leave it the same thing, minus, and then you replace the first operation that you are going to do. Since we said that we are going from left to right, this is the first operation to do. 30 divided by 5. That is going to be 6. So I replace this by 6. And then the times 2, I haven't used it. So I have to write it again. The only thing that I replaced was the operation that I did. And everything else is in the same order. 20 minus the result of the division times 2. Now I have a subtraction and a multiplication. Multiplication goes first. So again, anything with the 20 yet. Minus 6 times 2 is 12. Finally, the only operation is the subtraction, so I do it. 20 minus 12 is 8. And that is the result. Next one, we have a parenthesis. So we need to do it first. Again, the 16, I'm not gonna use it yet, so I just leave it the same. And I replace the parenthesis by its result. 3 plus 1, which is just 4. And this, I didn't do anything with that yet, so times 2. Again, I'm left with a division and a multiplication. So from left to right, 16 divided by 4, that is 4, since 4 times 4 is 16, and times 2, that I haven't used it yet. 4 times 2 is 8. We got the same answer. Okay, and finally, in this one, we have an exponent. So let's gonna do it first. Everything else is going to be the same. So I write this, the 5, because I haven't done it yet, plus, then I do the square. 3 to the square means just 3 times 3, which is 9. So I leave it there. And then divide it by 2, plus 8, because I haven't done it yet. I just did the exponent. Next one, the parenthesis goes first. So again, I replace just the parenthesis. Divided by 2 and plus 8. I have a division and an addition. The priority is the division, so that's the one to do. 14 divided by 2 is 7. I haven't done the addition, I write it there. Finally, the addition is the only one, so 7 plus 8 is 15. The result is 15. Okay, guys, this is a challenge for you. Try to solve this one and write your answers in the comments. Guys, I don't want fights in the comments, okay? Okay, guys, that was all for this video. Hope it was clear. Don't forget to subscribe to book your lessons with me if you want, and let me any question you have. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.